Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading in a zone as I've already explained you in my video. Okay, previous videos. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, three things that you have to understand, that there is a U pattern forming, a smaller U pattern is forming, and this is the range. Once the price started going above level of 2369, then chances are very high that the clear probability of going upside we can see, and then a probability of crossing a level of 2379, and then it can cross a level of around 2400 and can go move upside. Okay, how previously the price of gold was moving continuously on a higher side, because there are a clear pattern forming. This is the first pattern, and then a fall has come because it has already made a new high. After that it's tried to go upside, because we have seen the dollar index was moving further down, that the price of gold was moving upside, and then it made a half around 2418, and then again profit booking has come, and then after a swing form it made a new half around $2452. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we have seen, that this was the range. As soon as this range breakout happens, we have seen a good upside toward in the gold prices, and the dollar index also went down. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Index also, looking at the dollar index also, you can see that the price now trading at a level of $104.246, and it has already moved below a level of 104. From there it is trying to go higher. Overall trend is downside, you can see, and yes, chances can be high a further fall we can see if the price started going again below a level of 104. And once the price started going below this level, we can see the price of gold can go further upside. But if the price keeps sustaining above this level and move towards a level of 104.3, okay, the dollar index, then a probability of touching a level of 104.5 also we can see, and then further upside. So when the price is started going upside, a further downfall we can see in the price of gold. Okay, as I've already explained you, the mail ID also I have given in the description. Okay, and one more mail ID in the description is stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. This is all the mail ID. You can mail me if you have any doubts. Now, if the price sustain this level, what we can see, if the price sustain this level, it can move towards its weak resistance of 2347, which is already weak, and after that we can see it can go towards a level of 2352. This 2352 is also being weak, so remember this. As soon as the price moving above this level, it can cross this level, it can cross a level of around 2352 also, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 2355. Once the price started going above level of 2355, it can cross a level of around 2360, which is also being weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross a level of 2364. Okay, and then a further upside movement we can see, because this is the half the zone, so probability is higher it can cross a level of 2378, also can touch a level of 2378 after crossing a level of 2364, because that is also being tested. Okay, why I'm telling you all these resistance, because you have to understand, see, these are the point where profit booking comes, okay, or a bounce back come. So you have to remember that if a bounce back come, put your SL on this, or trailing your SL on this. If it is moving upside, keep trailing your SL. This is what the best thing you can do if you have to capture a big profit. Okay, now if the price keep moving over a level of 2378, a further upside movement we can see, it can cross a level of around 2389, then to a level of 2397. Okay, 2389 and then to a level of 2397. If the price keep moving off this level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and once the price started going up 2400, we can see there is the chances that it can touch its all-time high, or it can cross that level also. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2326. Okay, which is also being weak support, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards $2320. Okay, and once started going below that level, it can touch its low of around 2313. Okay, this is a zone slow. Once the price started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2306, and from there it will go towards a level of 2303, and then a probability of going towards $2291. After $2303, we can see a level of 2291. Okay, and once started going below that particular zone, chance of touching a level of 2281 we can see, and from there a level of $2275. Okay, and if the price keep moving below that level, a further downfall we can see. Okay. And remember something that, see, as soon as the price started going below a level of 2300, probability of moving further downfall we can see. And if the price started going below a level of 2275, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2265, and then a further low we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please